Investing in a guaranteed investment certificate can be a safe and reliable way to grow your savings. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in GIC. Understand GICs. Familiarize yourself with GICs and their features. GICs are fixed-term investments offered by banks and financial institutions. They guarantee the principal amount and provide a fixed interest rate for a specific period. Research GIC options. Explore different GIC providers and compare their offerings. Consider factors such as interest rates, terms, minimum investment requirements, and redemption penalties. Determine your investment goals. Clarify your investment objectives, such as capital preservation, income generation, or saving for a specific financial goal. This will help you choose the most suitable GIC term and interest rate option. Choose a GIC provider. Select a reputable bank or financial institution that offers GICs. Consider factors such as reputation, financial stability, customer service, and convenience. Open an account. If you don't have an existing account with the chosen provider, you may need to open one. This typically involves providing personal information, identification, and completing any required forms. Determine the investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest in the GIC. Some providers may have minimum investment requirements. Choose the GIC term and interest rate. Select the GIC term that aligns with your investment goals. Common terms include 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or longer. Also, choose between fixed or variable interest rate options. Fund your GIC. Transfer the desired investment amount from your bank account to the GIC account. Confirm the GIC details. Review and confirm the GIC details, including the term, interest rate, investment amount, and maturity date. Ensure they match your investment objectives. Complete the investment. Follow the instructions provided by the GIC provider to complete the investment process. This may involve signing an investment agreement or providing electronic consent. Receive confirmation and documentation. Upon successful investment, you will receive confirmation and documentation outlining the GIC terms, interest rate, maturity date, and any other relevant information. Remember that GICs are considered low-risk investments, but they may offer lower returns compared to other investment options.